Hi, here I'll be showing you how to add a little touch of macOS to your Windows desktop, and of course, without doing too much. Welcome to this channel. Let's get straight to it. The first thing we're going to do is to change this wallpaper, and to do that we're going to go to the browser. Right here in this website, freepik.com, we have many options here. To download this wallpaper, go right here to this icon, click on that. And I'm going to click on this free download icon right here. Once the download is complete, we head on to the file location. And here we have this image we just downloaded. Just highlight on it, right click on it, set as desktop background. When you minimize everything here, you're going to see that we have this new beautiful wallpaper. And this is just the beginning. I'm going to go to the next step right here. Go to the second one right here, and this is the link for the dock. I'm going to navigate to this download link. Just click on that. So here's the zip file. We're going to go to the file location. Now we're going to extract this file, okay? Just right click on it. I'm using WinRAR here. Just extract here. Here is the folder that has been extracted from the zip file. I'm just going to isolate this. I'm going to highlight on it. Right click on it. Cut it. And now I'm going to go to this PC. I'm going to go to your local disk, right? Going to paste it right here. Mine is Windows C. Now open my dock finder folder. And I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click on this My Dock application, alright? Just double click on that. Just allow it. Now I'm going to minimize this. By default, you're going to get this macOS Dock, and we have this My Dock finder. If you want to hide this Windows taskbar, just proceed here, right click on here. Then you're going to select Hide Taskbar. If you want the taskbar to reappear, go back here, right click on it and select Show Taskbar. On the contrary, if you would like to alternate between the macOS Dock and the taskbar, just go right here and right click on your taskbar, go to taskbar settings, scroll down here. On the taskbar behaviors, just click on taskbar behaviors and you're going to select this, automatically hide the taskbar. Click on that, close this. Now your taskbar is going to hide until when you navigate down here, and you can use both while still learning how to use the macOS Dock. Now I'm going to right click here, go to preferences, and now I'm going to scroll down here to advanced, select advanced. I'm going to scroll down here again. Right here, we're going to expand these. Now you're going to select macOS theme by Tech Doings. Just select that, click on OK, and select OK again. This is looking more like it. Now we're going to proceed to make some changes right here real quick. Proceed again to preferences. As you can see here, we don't have this macOS logo. Navigate down to appearances. Now you're going to scroll all the way down. And right here on the icon theme, I'm going to expand this. I'm going to select this OS X 10.9. Click on that. Now as we can see, we have this Apple logo on the left side here. Now go on to the next one right here. We'll go to General. Now under General, we're going to scroll down. And here it says Start on Boot Method. Then we're going to expand this. Select Start as a Service. If you get any notification, select Yes. So what this does is that every time you reboot your computer, this My Dock Finder automatically starts, okay? So now proceed down here to Launchpad. Select Launchpad. And here it says choose which icons will be displayed by Launchpad. You're going to expand this. I'm going to select added icons and start menu and desktop. Just click on that. Select OK and select OK. This dock is supposed to restart, but in case it doesn't restart, now you have to go right here and right click on here, then select Restart Dock. Okay, restart it. You're likely going to get something like this with all these question marks here. You don't have to be worried about it. Now I'm going to show you how to remove these icons you don't need from the dock. For instance, I don't need this. Just right click on it, select Remove from Dock. I'm going to do the same here. Right click, Remove from Dock. Right click, Remove from Dock. Right click, Remove from Dock. I'm going to do the same for everything right here. Now proceed to open the Launchpad. Now you can see all the icons, the one in your computer and also the one that comes to the macOS Dock. Now you can proceed to add these icons to your dock, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? I have this app and I want to add these to my dock. Okay, first thing you have to do is to launch the app itself. This is the icon for this app. I'm just going to right click on this icon. I'm going to go to option and select keep in dock. So even when I X on this icon remains on the dock. Now if I want to move this to the other side, all I have to do is to lift this and just drop it. Alright, so you're going to use this same method for any other icons that you want to add on this macOS dock. I'm going to show you one more example right here. Just go right to the launch pad, and this time I'm going to select PowerPoint. I'm just going to launch this. We have this icon. Just right click on it, go to options and keep in dock. And I'm going to go ahead and just drop it somewhere right here. Another easy way to do this is to simply drag any of the icons on your desktop and just drop it down here in the macOS dock. It's just as easy as dragging it down into the macOS dock, and that is going to remain there. Okay, so that will be all for now about this dock, and I'm going to proceed to hide these icons on this desktop. Just right click on this desktop, go to view. I'm going to go to show desktop icons. Just click on that. Now we have this beautiful setup, and we're not done yet. Before we proceed to the next step, if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, do well to subscribe and also like this video. Comment, leave your comments in the comment section. Now going back to our browser, proceed to rainmeter.net. Click on this download icon. Click on this rainmeter.exe file. Okay, next, install. Finish. After the installation, we're going to get this welcome to Rainmeter. Now I'm going to right click on this, on load skin. I'm going to do it for everything here. On load skin. Right click on load skin. Okay, now we've installed Rainmeter. We're going to download one Rainmeter skin right here. I'm going to go right here and download Robik from visualskins.com. I'm going to scroll down here on the left side here. Just click on this icon. Straight up, double click on the setup, install. First of all, we're going to make some changes right here. I'm just going to drag this up. This is what we need, and we need this. Alright, we don't need the rest of this. Right click on it and on load skin. Right click on this, on load skin, on load skin. And now we have this small dot right here. I think it's the weather. Just right click on it, on load skin. And we cannot reach this because of the macOS dock. I'm going to go right here to the taskbar. We're going to expand this. I'm going to click on this Rainmeter icon. So here in the Rainmeter settings, we're going to expand this Robik. We're going to expand this. Select disk D.ini, on load. I'm going to do the same to the song info, expand song info, unload it. As you can see, that disappeared from there. Under C, unload it. Alright, so we're going to minimize this first. Now we're going to make some changes right here. And first thing we're going to do is about the size. Obviously this is too big. I'm going to minimize this by just scrolling down. Yeah, just reduce the size by scrolling down on the mouse. Play some music or play some sounds from your Spotify or your YouTube so you can see this visualizer moving, and that way you'll be able to edit it. Again, scroll on the mouse just to reduce the size. Okay, we have this option here, 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. If you click on this 12H clock, you're going to see that it's going to change to different time format. I prefer this one, and I'm going to reduce this one a little bit more. Okay, so navigate down here to color 1. I'm going to click on these numbers right here. Many options here, many color options which you can just play around with. But the good thing is that I've prepared this color code so you can type in this coordinate. For R, you can type in 30. For G, you can type in 70. The last one, which is B, you can type in 110. Click on OK. Alright, now as you can see, this color really matches well with what we have going down here, which is beautiful. Go on to color 2. Now you can just drag this to this upper part here. So you have this white color, and to even make this more precise, you can change this 255 to 245. I'm going to change this next one to 247. The last one B, change it to 255. then click on OK. Beautiful. Now we have a more attractive looking time and date and a visualizer that matches well with everything we have going on here. So after doing this whole setup, go ahead and close these settings. One interesting thing, if you expand these and you click on the stage manager, you have this right here on the left side of your screen here, which is looking pretty cool. Okay, so and if you want to get rid of this, you can just click on the same thing right here. And previously I've made a more detailed video of how to make your windows look like macOS. I'm going to provide a card on the top right there and you can have a look at it. Now, how do you remove this macOS dock? Just right click on here and quit. Okay, once you quit, everything closes. Then go back to your local disk. Then delete this folder. Okay, my dock finder, just delete this folder. That is all you have to do to remove these from your computer. And for this, you just uninstall the Rainmeter and that's it. Everything goes with it. So that's gonna be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like. Have a nice day and peace out.